Hi friends, I stumbled across a cool number formatting trick in Excel and wanted to share it with you. Let's say you want to wrap some text in brackets, like I have here in column C, or in parentheses like in column F, or precede everything with a word. There's an easy way to do this without having to type these symbols every time. So I'm just going to grab these data here. I'm going to pop them over here in column D so you can see it. I'm going to right click and go to format cells, or hit command 1 or control 1 if you're on a PC, same thing. And in the custom menu, I'm going to go in here into the type, and I'm going to put in quotation marks the symbol I want to show. So in this case, it's a open hard bracket. And then the @ symbol, so shift 2 is going to be the @ symbol. And then again, the symbol that I want, again surrounded by quotation marks. And I'm going to click OK, and that surrounds these words. So it's the @ symbol. The @ symbol is the key here. So again, if I go over here to this example, example 2, and I command 1 over here, I go to custom, I go to quotation mark, open parentheses, not general, quotation mark, open parentheses, quotation mark, the @ symbol, and then repeat with the close parentheses, I get those in parentheses. And also, if I want to repeat, say, the word source here, now I could use a concatenation function here, which may or may not be better. I don't really know, but I could do this in the number formatting here. I go source with the space, close the quotation mark, hit the @ symbol, and now I've got that. So I might want to do this with the concatenation formula instead, but this is kind of nice because I was working on something and trying to do my citations kind of like this, and typing out these parentheses and these brackets are a pain. So here's this formula for the first one. This is the format that it looks like, and that's all you need. And now you've got a cool little number format that you can use to format anything you want.